What's up, guys? So we're going to do a little unboxing on the turbo kit I got here. Got 3 boxes. It's kind of hard to see in the frame because this camera sucks. But we're going to start off with a small one and crack it open and see what's inside. Came with the headers. They look pretty nice. It's got the spot there for the O2 sensors. Got your header gaskets, and you got some more exhaust here. Got some hardware. So, all in all, looks pretty good. All right, next box. Alright, so we got the tubing for the intercooler. Looks pretty good. So far. That's some of the welding. Let's see how Jeremy approves. I think it looks pretty good. Overall, I think it looks pretty good. Pretty well packaged. Feels pretty good quality piping. Alright, so I opened up on the top side here of the box. You can see here, oh maybe, this camera sucks like hell. Anyways, looks like it's pretty well packaged. I'm assuming that's a turbo, and comes with a CD taped to the top of the box. It says Fox 5.0. Obviously, it's a made CD, so I have to check that out tonight. See what it's all about. Maybe it's install instructions or something. All right, next thing pulling out. Bunch of hardware. Without opening it up, looks like it's pretty good quality parts. Looks like got some grade 8 in there. Not sure. These might be grade 5. I could be wrong. So. We got a box. We'll bust out the knife here. Well, we can see that. It looks like we got up a blow-off valve. got some hardware that goes with it. Not exactly sure what this is. Jeremy, you let me know what this is? The hell it's for? Kind of saw it when I was ordering it. Didn't know what it was for. Oh, next thing. All the clamps. Kind of heard some goods and bads about these. Oh, next box here on the ground is the intercooler. Put that in the box. Wraps in my pocket. There it is. Get a better shot here. This is the Y-pipe I was talking about for the exhaust, because I plan on keeping the stock exhaust on this car. We'll tie right into it. It's got the dump there. You want to have an exit here. It's pretty cool. I may stick a electric cutout for it. And here's the plate. It's a thick ass plate. Cool. More clamps. This rest of the exhaust fittings you have to order separate from the turbo. It's about another $180, which I think it's well worth it if you plan on keeping your factory exhaust on your car. Oh, we got some hoses. I'm trying to make this video quick as I can. I'm running out of daylight here. Some more fittings. Got us another fancy box. Off valve. So it's got some more fittings in here. More clamps. And we got some hoses here for the oil. Looks pretty good. Pretty decent quality, I guess. Alright, so that's it. The rest is peanut foam, which is over the garage. So, yeah, that's my little unboxing on the On3 turbo kit. And hopefully I get it put together here soon. Still gotta get the rest of the intake on, which should be pretty simple. Pretty much just start tearing into the front end, I guess. So anyway, so I'm gonna end the video here because I'm about out of record time, and I'll probably make another video on the turbo itself. So alright guys, I will see y'all later.